up, I saw the magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic. Low when I'm popping the elastic. 7 on the neck, you ain't never hearing nobody so nasty. Georgia, please. You know that I'm keeping it rags. That nigga gave me his heart.
I swear, sometimes I think I be seeing shit. Anyway, okay. So, the snow is coming tomorrow, Sunday. First snowstorm of the year. Today's weather's not too bad, so it is Saturday. I am completely shot. I've been closing out my rings on my Apple Watch over here consistently 3 days in a row, so my energy's like a little low. But gotta run to the bank, gotta probably fix this broken nail. Not sure yet, because like I said, I need a new nail tech, and I don't know. I'm kind of loving how my guy did my nails, but we're gonna see. So first bank, then I gotta go meet up with my uncle, get some stuff that my loved ones from Haiti sent for me. Man, I miss Haiti so much. You guys don't know, my mom has brought me to Haiti ever since I was like 5. So my older brother was born there. Me, I was born in New York, Nyack area. And yeah, she brought me to Haiti when I was 5, like back and forth. And I love my Haitians. Sac passe always. You know what I'm saying? But I am ready to get this day over with and come back and find good parking. And I ain't playing, you know what I mean? So let's buckle up, guys. Let's go. So I'm already at the bank, and they think that I'm going to have this window down. And it is like negative 10 degrees outside. They are playing with me. Because I'm not. I'm keeping warm. Come on. They're about to close, too. I just need a receipt. I have music playing the whole time. That's what's so annoying. Like, I just have to remember to always dim the music, but I finally made it to Dunkin'. They got Megan Thee Stallion now, like, supporting all this protein stuff. Everything's protein now, but eat your chicken, guys. Eat your ground turkey. Try to get, like, your real source of protein. Don't be dumb. Thank you. Let's go. Oh, yes. What a long day coming, but I just finally finished filming for my Blue page, so we're about to go get some Chinese food and settle down. Everybody's home, everybody's chilling. I can't wait to just relax now. I actually did some ballet exercises, and I've been working on my arches. It's never too late to work on your dreams. So I've been working on my arches, some ballet terminology, working on liquid motion on the dance floor. Not the dance floor, but dancing on the floor. Man, I can't talk. All right. So about to engage in some chicken wings real soon. This cold is no joke. No joke. Like, I just mentally can't even. Hello. I'm here for a pickup. 2 orders of chicken wings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Any kind of sauce?
Do you have hot sauce?
Hot sauce.
And duck sauce? You guys got new bags now.
Yeah.
Pretty. Thank you so much. Bye. We secured the bag with Chinese. They got these cute, like, bags now. Let's get back to business. Okay, so Obviously, a few days ago, I was getting Chinese food, you know, everybody comfortable at home, making the apartment warm with that essence that I obviously have. The snow has not melted. It's been a few days. Today, I have to clean out Michael's closet. Obviously, some of you guys don't know this, but Michael is basically my son, okay? He is my little brother. He is autistic. And I take care of him. Whole family does, but I'm his second mama. I take care of him as well. Yeah. So I never really told you guys this, but Michael, actually wrestling saved my family. It's a little story that I always try to put out there. I know I don't be saying much all the time. Yes, wrestling helped us to determine if Michael was autistic. The early stages, you know, the nonverbal, like quiet around 2 years old, just really quiet. When he was a regular baby, talking, running, blabbing, crawling. The Rock was Mikey's idol. Listen, no, get a little closer. The Rock was Mikey's idol. You guys don't understand that. Like, Dwayne The Rock Johnson, my brother loved, and I still think he does. It's down in there. That was like my Lita. Like when Lita came out, when I saw the red hair, oh my gosh. And before Lita was China, but like, you know, when you have your obsession. Mikey loved The Rock. Mikey loved watching Stone Cold and The Rock, which I think Mikey likes Stone Cold too. Let me get into this. So one day we're watching SmackDown, and this is when like The Rock comes out with the fist. He's all up, you know, on SmackDown now. SmackDown was like the new programming on UPN 9, I believe, on Channel 9 over here. If you in New York, the tri-state, it was Channel 9 on SmackDown, okay? I don't know about that other stuff. The fist, Channel 9, Thursday at 8 or 9. Thursday, SmackDown. Even Raw, he loved The Rock. We would always get Chinese food. My stepdad at the time always got us Chinese food before SmackDown or Raw, so we would just eat Chinese and watch wrestling. One night, The Rock came down, was about to do his match. Mikey screamed for The Rock all the time. Like, all the time. One time, this dude is coming down the freaking ramp and Mikey is quiet. Like, and I'm just like, you know, I didn't really pay no mind to it. At this time, my little sister was born. Irish twins. So Michael was born first, and then there was Ayana, my little sister. Actually, like, she was around a few months, but she can, you know. But she starts, my sister's facial expressions, you know baby's facial expressions, was looking at Michael like, you know, and I'm just like, I can read her. Because guess what? I'm her mother too, all right? I'm her mother too. I'm the oldest daughter out of this family. The craziest one, the awesomest one as well. But anyway, this kid was not screaming The Rock throughout the whole program. And that's when we knew that Mikey was starting to, you know, become nonverbal. We would try to talk to him and he wouldn't talk. This baby was talking. This baby would scream The Rock from the top of his lungs. He knew his facial expressions. He knew everything. And we took him to the doctor like a few days later just to get checked up and tested out. And my mom's a nurse, okay? So she knows about all these injections and all that stuff that, like, you know, they put in babies and all that. And she didn't want something done. Anywho, yeah, we find out that, like, Mikey is autistic. And we didn't really know so much. Like, we have cerebral palsy, you know, we have other like stuff, but we didn't really know so much about autism at that time. It was 2000s. Michael was born in 99, you know. So all I know is wrestling really saved my family in so many ways that nobody knows. Nobody knows. I don't know what people think sometimes. Some people think that, like, certain people are just there, or they don't know their story, too, because, like I said, I don't really share mine too much. But that's why you're here to buckle up and listen. I ain't got time to repeat myself. So we found out that Michael was autistic, and, yeah, wrestling saved my life. I try to make him watch it once in a while, but, you know, we do so far with it. But I actually became the wrestler and, you know, kept the energy alive as much as I can, you know what I'm saying? But to see this beautiful, you know, normal baby transition to something, you know, transition to his other level of himself, God willing, you know, he has autism, I'm sorry. But, like, just to see someone evolve so quick and right before your eyes at an early age was just, like, a little scary for me as well. But I love him so much. What is normal? You know what I mean? Because, look, boo-boo, I mean, my skin isn't even normal. We all aren't normies. I don't know. We all ain't normal, but let me tell you now, my brother is really gangster though. He speaks French, he speaks Creole, Haitian Creole, he understands. He's a beautiful man, has a great heart. He has traveled just like other kids, you know what I mean? But yeah, Michael has kept this family alive. It was just his birthday a couple days ago, so you know what? That's what I was going to say. Down at the comment section, put down an emoji of a birthday cake if you came down this far, okay? Because I'll be watching the comments too. Not really. I don't have time for that, but yeah, leave me a cake comment if you have come and reached this far in the video. Oh, these have to be washed. Those know that. Okay, these smell good. These smell good. And even as a person with eczema, oh my God, do you know how many things they have in these detergents? Do you know how many things that they have in things now? And it's just like, we never had these in our ingredients back in the 90s, or not that much of it. Like, what's going on? There's no more cotton. You can't find that much cotton in clothes anymore. You know what I'm saying? Most things are polyester, or more things are ethylene. Something. It's something I don't know. But there is cotton out there, guys. Watch what you're putting on your bodies. I'm telling you now. And stop sharing clothes with people. I know a lot of people that share clothes and makeup together. That is disgusting. Don't do it. Not even knee pads. I don't even share my knee pads. I remember one time this girl had a match and she was like, oh my God, I forgot my knee pads. I forgot my kick pads. I have the covers for them. I was like, no, I cannot give you anything. I'm sorry. If I forgot something, that's on me and I just eat it. But, Oh man, in a few days it's gonna be February. We're already in like the love-making month, you know? It's going by so quickly, guys. You cannot like literally let a second miss a beat. I swear, sometimes it's just really therapeutic to just, you know, fold clothes. And I was never one of those people that just have their clothes on the bed, not folded. I'm a folding freak. I'm a clean freak. And no, I wouldn't say a clean freak. I'm a neat freak. Actually, no, I am a clean freak. I am, because of my skin. You best believe you won't see me in a room like, you know what I mean? But guys, this winter has been so like crazy. And yes, it's winter. I understand that, but come on, 3 degrees? 3 degrees. I need sun, and I am moving out. I need to go back to Florida. I cannot do this. Or maybe Texas. Maybe Texas is... Or maybe Louisiana. Y'all want me in Louisiana? I miss Louisiana a lot. I miss... Oh, what a time to be alive at that time. I think 2018 was when I went to Louisiana for Wildcats. And what a time! We had a ball. We had a ball. We had a ball. Shout out to Luke Hawks. Man, we had a ball, though. Yesterday, too, I had to babysit my nieces and nephews. Mostly my niece, which was pretty awesome. I got to bring her to school this morning as well. And I got her a donut from Dunkin'. You know, they have the festive ones. They had a heart-shaped one. And it had pink frosting on it with, like, little sprinkles of hearts on it and, like, some fudge thingy inside. And then I had my usual coffee, a large one, which is not too bad. I've been drinking a lot of black coffee and getting used to it, but once in a while you need some sugar. Guys, for this whole, I would say 18 days, I have not had soda. And the difference I see in just soda, it's not that I'm a heavy soda drinker either, but once in a while you need a fizzy, if you know what I mean. And I have not been drinking soda. Juice, yeah, but even alcohol, I haven't really been on that wave, you know? I haven't been going out as much because, I mean, obviously it's snowing. Have you seen outside? So today's a whole wash day and we're just organizing everything, so...